What's up guys, Justin here with the realtimeessentials.com. In today's video I'm going to show you several ways to create copies of objects inside of Unreal Engine. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so the first way to create copies is just the simple typical one that you might think of. You can just do a Control-C and a Control-V. That's going to do a copy and a paste. And what that's going to do is that's going to paste the object in one location. So notice how when I did that, this truck was right on top of the other truck. So that's good for simple copies if you just want like a single copy of something. So Control-C, Control-V. I'm not a gigantic fan of that one just because it does put your new copy on top of your old copy. So alternatively, you can select an object. So we'll go with this little object right here again, and you can do a Control-W. So if you do a Control-W, what it does is it creates a copy of whatever you have selected, but it creates it at a slight offset so you can actually see it. So you're not actually creating instances of objects that are sitting in the exact same transform location. So this is good. For me, I would rather do a Control-W and create the copy just so I can see all of the copies that I created. And you can use this for a lot of different objects. So let's say, for example, that I was to get all my corn over here. So I've got my corn objects. So I've got these all in here. If I do a Control-W like this, that's going to create a copy of all of them, and then I can just slide them over. So personally, I like that more than the typical copy-paste. And then one that you're going to use a lot is you can also select an object. So let's say we were to select maybe like this fence right here, and we're going to want to get this fence post as well. So I'm going to click on this and then do a Control click in order to select this fence post as well. Well, what you can do is you can hold the Alt key. So you can hold Alt down on your keyboard and then click and drag the transform tool on your surface like this. And what that does is that creates a copy of whatever you have selected. And so this can be really good for like things that need to go in a line. So this fence is a great example, right? I would just create a copy right here just by holding the Alt key and clicking and dragging. And then we can go ahead and align our fence this way. And I mean, if you wanted to, once you start getting more objects in your line, you can just keep selecting these like this. And then you can hold the Alt key and do it again. So you can use this to create things like fences really quickly inside of Unreal Engine. So I use that one a lot. So between that one and the Control-W, those are probably the ones that I use the most. So if I was to hold the Alt key, again, we're going to click and drag this right here. See again how that allows you to create copies along an actual line inside of Unreal Engine. All right, and then the last way to do this is more a way of scattering objects than copying them, but I do want to talk about this in the video. So what you can do is you can go up to Modes and Foliage right here. That's going to pop up a little window over here that's going to allow you to add objects as foliage and then paint them in your scene. So for example, let's say that I wanted like one of these corn assets from my meshes down below. What I can do is I can pick a mesh, I can drag it in here as foliage, and then I can select it. So I can click and check this object right here in order to use that as a piece of foliage. Well, then I can come in here and I can click on this button for paint, and this is going to give me a little marker on my screen. Well, if I click and drag in here, and so let's move over into our open field, but if I was to click and drag in here like this, that's going to allow me to really quickly scatter copies of this object in my scene. Notice how you can adjust things like density and other things like that. So if you don't want as many of those, you can turn your density down in order to use like a less dense number of scattered objects. You can also use this to erase foliage just by clicking on the erase button and then clicking and dragging inside your scene like this. We can talk about this more in a more detailed video in the future. All right, so leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about ways to create copies inside of Unreal Engine. Just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.